It should be a little darker.
These are called chokecherries. They grow wild all throughout Canada. These ones in particular apparently were cut from some wild plants and then transplanted onto the yard. Up here, they're darker up at the top.
The high ones are always the nicer berries.
Ooh, it's been a long time since I tried that. They have the pit in the middle of it. They're just all around disgusting to eat. Straight off the tree, they don't taste good at all. They're really sour. I don't know if this is true for everyone, but it kind of makes my mouth feel all like numb and fuzzy. So yeah, you don't eat them raw. Here's one that's you just put it in between here. Oops. Oh, holy!
Oh my goodness.
This one. Wow! And when you're ready to be done, oops, this way. Oh, you have to take. Do you think this is enough?
I think so.
Okay, Mom, why do you clean it like this?
Because all the bad stuff rises to the top. Leaves, dried twigs, worms.
Yeah, if your berries have been in the fridge, it's good to use warm water to wash them.
Oh, just so they can thaw a little?
No, so your hands aren't cold. So once the berries are washed, okay, you're going to put water on them and cover them. Then you cook them.
Okay.
But you got to really watch that they don't boil over because it's a mess. Don't want them to cook over because then you have a mess.
Yes.
Because chokecherries will stain. You know what, roughly 20 minutes to maybe even half an hour
Okay.
until the berries are soft. It doesn't take long really because they are quite tender. Like if you look, some of these are splitting already.
Oh, I didn't know they did that.
And you don't really have to stir it because there's lots of water. They're not going to stick on the bottom.
They smell really good right now. This is quite the contraption.
When I do this, I will do it in the sink because it's really messy. It fits over there like that. This goes in here like this. The berries go in there, and And then you do this. This is the hard job of pushing this against the holes, okay, to get the juice out. I don't know if that's what you call a berry press.
Yeah, a berry strainer. So is it okay if you leave it for half an hour when you forget
yeah.
about it?
No,
and
no.
Chat and
Yeah, and have coffee in
Yeah.
the meantime.
It's fine.
Just kind of be careful because it will splash a little bit. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This looks really good. This is the part that I'm going to get my granddaughter to do. This isn't really the fun part.
Oh, okay. Great. What is the fun part?
I don't know.
Eating it?
Yes. The handle here. All it goes through is the juice. The pits and the skins. The skins kind of cook up.
Oh,
But the pits are the big thing. They stay in there.
Yeah.
See the stems and things will stay. They will stay in here. They don't go through the sieve.
I don't know. How do I know there isn't more juice in here though?
It's a messy job. But oh, so rewarding. Okay, so what we do here is I usually use about 1 cup of sugar per cup of juice.
You just kind of estimate how many cups there are?
She estimates. I'm gonna measure.
Never ceases to amaze me
What?
how you're opening up the sugar thing and it's spilling out.
Yeah. True.
It's supposed to be in the bag. So I am estimating, because that's what I do at my age, that I'll probably need 4 cups of sugar in here.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot.
You know what? It boils down or cooks down.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking maybe 20 minutes. If you were making jelly or something, you would use Cerdo, which would,
What is that?
that helps it gel. Cerdo is actually pectin. We can get the jars ready.
Okay.
It's for my personal stash. It's made at the glass factory
Okay.
where Auntie Diane, Auntie Beth, and
Oh.
Auntie Carolyn worked in Redcliffe.
Oh, really? Does this thicken on its own?
You know what? It actually does, and I think it's because the more it boils, it boils down or it cooks down.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got the pulp in
Yeah.
it. Whether the sugar has anything to do with it or not,
Oh, it probably does, yeah.
I do not know. One thing about your wooden spoon, it'll never be the same. I just kind of like to test it, cool it off, and see if it's, because you don't want it too runny. I remember my mom doing this with jam that she cooked to see. I think this will be just about ready.
I might be having a piece of toast.
Yeah, same. Of course.
I wouldn't have toast, I would have bun. Or that bread.
Oh, I would toast it with butter.
I think this is good.
I didn't know you did that actually. That's perfect.
You know what? At home I don't, but I thought
That's perfect.
I think this is what we will do.
To turn it off.
Yep. So this will come off. That can continue.
Oh, it's finished.
This will probably work, but at the same time, this is like a funnel thing. And don't forget, this is hot. This came with dishes 56 years ago when we got married. Probably never used it as a cream pitcher. And you should probably have your lids here so that you can put it on right away. There.
So is it gonna seal because you put it in hot?
Yeah, it should.
So approximately this many berries will make 4 jars like that.
Oh, what happened, Mom?
It was Grandma's house.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
what happens when we're
Oh, it smells like burnt sugar. Uh-oh, look at it in there.
This is what happens when you don't watch it.
I was texting Lois. Oh dear.
This is not how to do it.
Yeah, this is not what you do.